In this playlist, we are taking solutions of each and every question discussed in this set of 5 questions from polynomials. I hope you enjoy this journey of learning. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on polynomial functions. We are sharing with you a couple of good questions seen in past test papers of IB Math. In this video, I'm going to solve one of them. And in the playlist, you'll find solutions of many other questions from past test papers. The question which I have selected is based on the characteristics and the end behavior and also to find the equation. And once you have the equation, you can actually sketch the graph also. The question before us is a polynomial function f of x has x-intercepts at origin 0 of order 2 at minus 1 and roots at 2 plus minus square root 5. Find f of x if f of 3 equals to 0. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. In case you want to learn from me directly, feel free to send an email on the address given. Now, let's look into the solution of this particular problem, which is that we are given a polynomial function f of x, which has x-intercepts at, so let's write down the zeros or the x-intercepts, right? So x-intercepts at origin means 0, 0, right? Then we have zeros of order 2 at x minus 1. So that means what? When I say 0 of order 2 at x minus at minus 1, it means the factor is x plus 1 and the factor will be squared, and that is how you got 0 of order 2, right? And then we have roots at 2 plus minus square root 5. So the roots which are given to us are at 2 plus minus square root of 5 means that we have one factor which is x minus 2 plus square root 5. Makes sense, right? And the other is x minus 2 minus square root 5. Good. Of course, when I say x-intercept as this, that means the factor is x, right? We are also given the value which is at f of 3, the value is 10. So that should be in a position to help us to find the value of a, right? So we can rewrite the function f of x as equal to a times x, the first root at origin, times x plus 1 whole square, the other root, and then the rational roots 2 plus minus square root 5. I could write them as x minus 2 minus square root 5, right? Times x minus 2 plus square root 5. Makes sense? So that becomes our polynomial. Now we could definitely simplify this and then substitute the value 3 and equate it to 10 to find the value of a. So let's first simplify this a bit. So we get ax, x plus 1. Let me keep it as such. Now this factor here, what you could do, think like this, x minus 2 and x minus 2 minus square root 5. And that helps us since you know a plus b times a minus b is what? Is a square minus b square. So we could actually now factor this, a being x minus 2. Do you see that? So it is x minus 2 whole square minus square root 5 square, right? So we have factored very easily. So that gives you the function f of x as equal to ax, this is square, right? X plus 1 whole square, and here we get the term x minus 2 whole square could be written as x square minus 2ab, which is 4x plus 4, right, minus 5. And so we get the function f of x as ax times x plus 1 whole square, x square minus 4x and this becomes minus 1. So we have a factored form now, right? And in this factored form, we have removed the radical sign, square root 5. Now, we can find the value of a by putting 3 for x and 10. So for we have 10 equals 2 times 3, right? Here we have 3 plus 1 whole square times 3 square minus 4 times 3 minus 1, right? That gives you the value of a. And once we have that value, we have the function, right? So I hope the concept is absolutely clear. Let me take this to the next page and then we'll continue to solve. So I will actually begin from the equation we just got, okay, which is f of x is ax x plus 1 whole square, and the other factor being x square minus 4x minus 1. Okay, so we get our function f of x as equals to ax times x plus 1 whole square times x square minus 4x minus 1, correct? So let me check this. Did we get it right? Perfect. Yes, it is, right? So now let's continue. We know that f of 3 is 10, right? This is what we are using. The value f of 3 is 10. So instead of f of x, which is, we are writing f of 3, which is 10, and we are substituting 3 for x. So we have 3a, 3 plus 1 whole square, 3 square minus 4 times 3 minus 5. So we have 10 equals to 3a times 4 square, which is 16, times this becomes 9 minus 12 minus 5, right? So we have 10 equals to 3a times 16 times, it is 9 minus 12 minus 17, that is, and 9 minus 17 will give me minus 8, right? So we get minus 8. 9 minus 12 is minus 3. And so from here we get the value of a, which is 10, of course negative, divided by 3 times 16 times 8. Perfect. So you can simplify this. So we can divide by 2, getting 5 on the top, so we get minus 5 over 4 times 6, 48 times 3, right? So dividing by 2, we get 4, right? So 12 times 16. So now we get the value of a, which is 12 times 16, right? Let's rewrite here. We have a as equal to minus 5 over 12 times 16. 12 times 6 is 72, and 7, 192, right? So we could write the expression as the function f of x is equal to minus 5 over 192. You can calculate, right? There could be some errors here, x plus 1 whole square in just calculating, and then we have the term x square minus 4x minus 5 as our polynomial, correct? So that becomes the polynomial for us. I like you to check these calculations, perfect, finding the value of a, and I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, it'd be great. And in case you want to learn from me directly, send an email on the given address, globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your time and all the best.